Well, as Georgia lawmakers prepare to return to the Capitol for the upcoming legislative session, maternal health advocates are sounding the alarm, calling on our elected leaders to act. Well, Georgia continues to rank among the worst states in the nation for maternal mortality, raising urgent questions about oversight, accountability, and whether current policies are actually saving lives. This year, the March of Dimes gave Georgia an F for its preterm birth rate. Well, this week I spoke with board-certified OBGYN Dr. Eboni January about what she believes must change and what lawmakers should be paying attention to when the session begins.
A lot to do with bias, right? A lot to do with, racism as well, but preventable causes of death that we need to make sure that we're standardizing care, right? So in the state of California, for example, they have bundles. I'm licensed in 16 states, California being one of them. And when I do talks, I oftentimes utilize all of the resources, the toolkits they have in place because they have one of the lowest death rates, right? And so they are implementing toolkits, bundles, so that we can standardize care. But when we implement those things, we truly have to implement those, and they're not necessarily being implemented. There are no checks and balances. The hospital leaders have to make sure that things are not going like this, right? They have to make sure that they're evaluating the staff. What is the treatment of our patients, right? This is also a customer service business, right? We have to make sure the hospital leaders we need to get out of the boardrooms and truly meet people where they are. We're making, once again, I said we're making decisions for women, and we're not talking to these women. We have to survey as leaders to make sure that we're delivering the best care possible and that they're having a great experience.
This was just part of our conversation. We've posted that full conversation between me and Dr. January on 11alive.com. And just a reminder for you all, the Georgia vote returns to 11 Alive on Sunday, January 11th, a jam-packed show, a very big show from under the Gold Dome, our season premiere, if you will, as we get you set for the 2026 legislative session at the state capitol, January 11th. We'll see you then.